Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sell Ticketmaster tickets on Ticketswap. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketswap account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Ticketswap? It is simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type ticketswap.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Ticketswap. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Ticketswap. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to sell Ticketmaster tickets on Ticketswap. We're going to need some help with that, shall we? So head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on this question mark icon, and it takes you here. So over here, it says top articles for fans, and under there, it says how tickets transfer work. So go ahead and click on that. And it opens up this window where you can now see this, how the ticket transfer work. Now let's read. It says to set up your listing in Ticketswap app, hit sell and follow the steps shown. If you bought tickets through Ticketmaster's platform, you will need to access and manage your tickets from their platform, the Ticketmaster app. All right, so here's how it works. Copy the unique email address you see in your Ticketswap app to your clipboard. You're going to see your unique email address, all right, on your Ticketswap app. Go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. Now, once you do that, head over to the Ticketmaster app. It means this will have to be done via mobile apps. So use your phone and download Ticketswap app on your mobile phone and download Ticketmaster app on your mobile phone. All right, so copy the unique email address you see in the Ticketswap app to your clipboard. Then go to Ticketmaster app. Once you go to the Ticketmaster app, the next thing that you need to do is to hit transfer under the plus button in your Ticketmaster app. So click on transfer under the plus button in your Ticketmaster app and then enter Ticketswap as the recipient. Then once you do that, paste the email address you copied from Ticketswap app to your clipboard. Now once you do that, go back to Ticketswap app and finish your listing. So this is pretty much how you can get that done. Okay, so copy the unique email address you see in your Ticketswap app to your clipboard. Go to Ticketmaster app, hit the transfer under the plus button, enter Ticketswap as a recipient, paste the email address you copied to your clipboard, and go back to your Ticketswap app to finish your listing. That is pretty much how you can sell Ticketmaster tickets on Ticketswap. So this is pretty much a screenshot of what that's going to look like. So here you go. This is a screenshot of what it's going to look like. So now you can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.